Pagod na ba kayo sa kakasilip sa tangke nyo? If merong tubig o wala galing sa water company nyo, Nawasa or Manila Water. Well, if you're like me, na sobrang pagod na kakasilip, well, this is the video for you. So, better watch this one. Today, i-review natin kung ano kailangan yung bilhin para hindi na kayo magsisilip-silip. Alright? So, ito yung device na yan. It's an ultrasonic water level sensor. So I got this one from Lazada. It's a little pricey. It cost almost 2,000 pesos, but believe me, it will change your life and make it much more easier. This device you have to install sa pinaka center ng tank nyo. So it has to be in the sa cover. So, it has to be the cover. Hindi nyo dapat siya ilalagay sa loob kasi mababasa yun ng moist. So it has to be in the middle of the tank or outside the tank, in the middle, preferably the cover. So ito ang kasama niya is yung manual and yung device itself and yung power cable. The total ng cable niya is around from the device up until the plug is about 3 meters. So medyo mahaba naman yung cable. This one, nabuksan ko na siya, but papakita ko lang sa inyo kung ano yung laman. So in here, meron siyang cover kasi during the configuration ng unit, meron kang pipindutin sa loob. Anyway, andun naman sa manual yung kailangan yung gawin. But mag-iilaw yan sa loob and dyan yung button to start the syncing process. So follow nyo lang yung instructions no manual, and this is power cable. Sobrang haba niyan, 3 meters. So how this works really is this is a Bluetooth device, or I would say a Wi-Fi device. This device connects to your Wi-Fi network. So importante na malapit siya sa Wi-Fi connection, and using the app nakikipag-communicate tong device na to sa Wi-Fi network and then sa app. So again, ultrasonic sensor siya kasi meron siyang dalawang sensor. One is bouncing going down, and then yung isa is yung bouncing from down to up. Kaya importante pinaka-middle siya ng tanke para walang obstructions. So ito yung tank na pag-i-install natin. So tatanggalin lang natin yung cover niya. Ito yung cover niya, dito natin sa gitna ilalagay yung device. So dito, nilagyan ko ng circle yung pinaka-sentro using yung plastic ring ng device, and then bubutasan natin yan using a wireless drill. So ito na yung pinaka-last na butas na kailangan butasin. Ayan, so okay na. Then I used a snipping pliers to cut all the metals. So ayan, so far perfect circle naman siya kasi meron tayong guide na sinunod yung ball pen or pencil na minark natin kanina. And the final and the best part of this one is yung removing yung pinaka last na metal. So ayan na, butas na siya. We're now ready to install yung device. So perfect fit naman siya. Ayan, as you can see. Check natin sa baba. Alright, and then pinaka last is yung lock niya. Alright, so we have to securely tighten it. Alright, so ayan na siya. The cover is ready to be installed. So eto na. We put back the cover na. And here's what it looks like. Nakabit na rin natin yung power. So yung app na gagamitin natin dito is called Smart Life. Download nyo lang sa App Store or Google Play. So supported na ito yung mga Tuya devices, just like this one. This is a Tuya supported device. So, sundin nyo lang din yung step-by-step instruction dun sa manual. So, ang pinaka-importante dito is isi-set natin yung depth ng tangke niya at yung measure nyo din yung pag full tank siya, ano yung distance dun sa pinaka device once installed. Yun ang pinaka-importante kasi dun siya nagbe-base ng level niya or ilang percent. So again guys, it's important to follow along yung installation requirements and ano yung instructions dun sa app, kasi yun ang pinaka crucial kung gusto niyo ng accurate measurement. So alright, so I think hindi ko na ipapakita lahat, but I'll let you see. So far, we have been using this device for quite some time now, a few months now, and for us, it's really accurate. So, hope you like this video. I'll share some photos of the device, of what it looks like. Again, so ito makikita niyo ilang percent. This is actual measurements na. So if you like this video and want to see more of these, please share, like, and subscribe for more of these contents. Thank you for watching.